Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sadia from scholarshipraw.com. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship. The Vanier Canadian government scholarships are open to international students who want to pursue their doctoral degree at top Canadian universities. Today, I will be covering Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship, its benefits, eligibility criteria, and step-by-step application process. So, stay tuned till the end. Friends, this program intends to invite and retain world-class doctoral students who exhibit both leadership skills and a high standard of scholarly accomplishment in graduate studies. Level of study is doctoral, but it also includes graduate and master's degree leading to PhD. Institutes: Canadian institutes with a quota to host Vanier scholars. Program period 3 years. Courses offered: Natural Sciences and Engineering Research, Health Research, Social Sciences and Humanity Research. Deadline is 2nd November. Now let's talk about scholarship coverage. Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship is valued at $50,000 per year for 3 years during doctoral studies. Now let's talk about eligibility criteria for Vanier CGS. Required language is English. All world countries are eligible to apply. Candidates should be pursuing their first doctoral degree. This will include graduate and master's degree leading to PhD. But only PhD portion of the combined degree is eligible for funding. Some other requirements are: you should not have completed more than 20 months of doctoral studies as of May 1st. You should be nominated by only one Canadian institution which must have received a Vanier CGS quota. You should intend to pursue full-time doctoral studies and research at the nominating institution. You must not hold a doctoral level scholarship or fellowship from any other organization. You should have achieved a first class average in each of the last 2 years of full-time study. Candidates are encouraged to contact the institution for its definition of first class average. How to apply for Vanier CGS? Begin your application by researching Canadian institutions through the Universities Canada website. You have to browse each university's respective website and thoroughly research the program of interest in which you would like to complete your doctoral degree, as well as supervisors for your research. Next, you have to consult the Vanier CGS quota page in order to ensure that your institution of interest has a quota for the year in which you are applying. Now, let's have a look on the steps involved in the application process. Applications are initiated in one of the two ways. Either the student informs the faculty of the graduate studies at the selected institution of the intent to apply for Vanier CGS program, or the institution initiates the nomination process by contacting the desired candidate. Applications are prepared by the students and submitted to the nominating institution by their internal deadlines. The nominating institution performs the internal candidate selection process. The nominating institution forwards recommended nominations to the Vanier Banting Secretariat by the deadline. The Secretariat coordinates the review process. The Secretariat presents the recommendations to the Tri-Agency Program Steering Committee. The TAP Steering Committee endorses and approves final decisions of the Vanier CGS program. Nominated candidates are notified of the competition results in April. A few important points for candidates. Candidates should read the selection committee guide prior to commencing their application. This guide lists the 3 evaluation criteria and has useful information on how the criteria are evaluated. The Secretariat has curated a list of resources to help applicants, institutions, referees, and evaluators consider equity, diversity, and inclusion in their application. Applicants are encouraged to review the resources before they begin writing their application. Important documents required for the Vanier CGS application: a ResearchNet application form, a CV, research contributions, a personal leadership statement, special circumstances, 2 leadership letters of reference, a research proposal, project references, transcripts. That's all friends. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos related to scholarships, and also visit our website scholarship.raw.com to know about latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.